Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Instagram marketing, we'll look into the language or the terminology that is associated with Instagram. Let's check them out. This is some of the terminology or the language that is associated with Instagram. A post is something that can be consist of the photos or the videos uploaded and shared on Instagram. Like is something you're liking a particular post. It goes same as in the rest of the social networking side. You click on the like because you like it. Follower is somebody whom basically you are actually following or followers. There are two things here. One is the follow, the other is a follower. Follow is somebody, I as an individual, I am following somebody, and when I follow somebody, all those posts that appear on my feed is something that is posted by the others. When the follower is all about people who are following me, when actually I post something on my Instagram account, they will be able to see all those photos and videos, and that is precisely the difference between follower and follow. Bio is basically the description of your profile page. It could be an individual description or it could be a business description. Filter is something editing options, exposure, color and contrast. Instagram, since it is a mobile based, a smartphone based app social networking site, it provides a lot of features in terms of how you can filter your images, in terms of exposure, the color combination and the contrast of those images, that is filtering. Hashtag again is a very popular topic or popular word on all social networking sites including Instagram. You create hashtags based on the current trends, the topics that you want to follow or you want to create. Hashtag is extremely used on all social networking sites. Caption is an adding a name to a particular post. It could be a photo or it could be a video. You are naming your post. Comments are something that appear on the post. When I post something on Instagram, it could be a photo or a video, there I am basically sharing that photo and video with others, with people who are following me, and they can post a comment, and that is basically comments is all about. Feed is could be a gallery or an album of a user. That is what feed is all about. Newsfeed is basically all posts from others who follow. The posts that others are posting and they appear on my page. Explore tab, it is searching and discovering the users. It is basically identifying who the people are out there on Instagram whom I can follow. Suggested users is something that Instagram provides when you actually create an account or have an account on, whether it is an individual account or a business account. Instagram suggests you users. Okay, these are the set of users based on the kind of account that you have created, based on the kind of description that you have, and you may take those suggestions or you don't take those suggestions to follow others. Public versus private, making profile public or private. You have the option of making your profile public or private. When you make it public, the others will be able to see it. When you make it private, the others will not be able to see it. If you are serious about your business, or if you are an individual who want to create a brand identity, you want people to know more about you, it is always a good practice to make your profile public. Direct message is something you can send a direct message to a particular user. Geo-targeting is giving an image and targeting with a location. Poll is something that you can organize a poll on Instagram. Like back, LB is like back. When I like something, people say like back, and it is basically LB. OOTD means outfit of the day. It is a general term that normally used on social networking sites and on Instagram. OOTD means outfit of the day. Outfit of the day, you wear something, you take an image or a selfie, then you post it, say this is outfit of the day. Regram is actually a Instagram version of retweet. On Twitter, you have something, when you see a particular tweet, you tweet the same tweet, basically you are sharing the tweet. Similarly, regram means you see a particular post and you retweet it, you regram it, basically you are sharing the post that already published. And some of the lingo that is associated, CC means it is a carbon copy, OH means it is overhead. I overhead something, you say OH and you type something. Then SMH is shaking my head, that is a lingo that is associated with Instagram. TF means thanks for the follow. If somebody is following, you say thanks for the follow. TIL means today I learned. This is the term that is used, today I learned something. TL semicolon DR means too long didn't read. Just post a comment, too long didn't read. It's too long, you just say TLDR. TQRG means thanks for the regram. If somebody has actually posted the comment that I posted, they shared it with others, I post a comment, thanks for the regram. CX means correction. If you make a mistake, a typo, then you say CX and correct it. Affect means as far as I know. You say, as instead of saying as far as I know in your comment, you say affect, then post the comment that you want to publish. And this is something that related with the lingo used on Instagram. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is the terminology of the Instagram account, how Instagram terminology is being used, and of course the language or the lingo that is associated with Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.